This is Zukiswa, a first-year student at Hampshire College. Zukiswa loved exploring campus, from the media labs to the woods, the Center for Design to the farm, until one day, deep in a forgotten shelf in the library, Zukiswa found a treasure map of sorts, revealing an even larger magical world beyond Hampshire. The map showed that Hampshire isn't in New Hampshire, but rather in the Connecticut River Valley in western Massachusetts, 2 hours from Boston and 3 hours from New York City. Hampshire is part of the 5-college consortium, where students at Hampshire, Smith, Mount Holyoke, Amherst College, and the University of Massachusetts can all take courses at each other's institutions. They can also eat meals, join clubs, play sports, and more. The 5 colleges are connected by a network of free buses that also transport students into the towns of Amherst, Northampton, Hadley, and South Hadley. With 5 colleges and 4 towns interconnected, Zukiswa's small world opened up into a massive landscape with 30,000 new friends waiting to be made. And just like that, Zukiswa was transported deeper into the valley. The magic map opened a portal into dozens of restaurants, coffee shops and bakeries, bookstores, ice cream shops, art galleries and museums, and a wide range of concert venues. The valley is full of variety, with every kind of grocery store. Zukiswa went to the movies and popped into a boutique. She went bowling and played arcade games at the mall. There's gyms, there's record stores, there's even a huge selection of bars and breweries. Not so fast, Zukiswa. Don't worry, you'll be 21 before you know it. And if the Hampshire woods wasn't enough for Zukiswa, the valley is brimming with hiking trails, swimming holes, and places to set out in a kayak. In addition to the bus network, the valley is connected to 200+ miles of bike trails, ripe for roller skating as well. The more Zukiswa explored, the more there was to uncover. If you come to Hampshire, what will you discover?